What would you do if you had to survive 99 nights in the forest without the campfire, using only a tiny wooden shed? You can't craft anything without the crafting table, can't cook anything without the campfire, and every night the deer will try to hunt you down. In this video, I will be doing exactly that. Watch till the end because this challenge was absolutely crazy. I will be giving myself 10 days to gather everything I can and attempt to max out the campfire, because after 10 days pass, I will no longer be able to step in the camp to level it up. Alright guys, I just spawned in. We have to be really quick here and get that campfire running as soon as possible. We have a 10-day limit, so we got to max it out fast, otherwise this challenge will be getting a lot harder. Okay, one more. Wait a second, is that what I think it is? Nice, that will speed this up a bit, and speed is the name of the game right now. A house right off the bat? Hopefully I can get some fuel canisters from it. I will also be taking the chairs, and not to burn them by the way. They give you like 5 wood each at the scrapper. It's actually insane. Okay, first chest of the video, don't let me down now. Why? Oh, a fuel canister? That is literally the best thing I can get right now. I will take that for sure. All right, let's dump all this stuff off at the camp and keep going. Okay, final room. Oh, there's a wolf inside. Bro, I cannot hit my shots. Okay, I need this guy to just die right now. That wolf almost ended my run right there, bro. That was not it. At least I got a wolf pelt from it. Actually, you know what I really need right now? A map. Without one, I have a feeling I'll just keep looking through the same areas, wasting a ton of time, which I do not have right now. The campfire might actually go out today, but that's actually fine for now. The deer never attacks on the first night, so I'll be taking advantage of that and looting everything I can tonight. Ooh, some coal. Don't mind if I do. And another one right there? Yes, please. Okay, guys, the campfire is out. If I'm correct, though, I should be fine even without it on the first night. Let's dump everything off here real quick. Okay. And I'll leave all the fuel right there. I'll put it all together later. Oh, what? The map doesn't work without the campfire? I never knew that. That's gonna suck later on when the campfire goes out. Holy, that shed came out of nowhere. I can barely see in front of me right now. It's so dark. Just scrap in there though. I'll definitely need some, but I feel like I won't get the chance to use most of it. All right, my sack is full now, but how do I get back? I've never really thought about how to find my way back to camp without the campfire showing me the way, to be honest. Oh, there are the kid posters. I got quite lucky there finding it so fast. I could have wasted a lot of time just trying to find my way back. Okay, let's get that fire going for now. I really do need that map. Ooh, a bathroom. These always have a chest inside. Let's check it out. There it is. Give me something good here. Game, an old flashlight. Are you kidding me, bro? That's so useless. Well, I guess it could be useful if I can't find a watchtower with a bunch of them in it. I will need to risk exploring during the night as well right now, since I have to get everything I will be using in the first 10 days. Oh, looks like we're already hungry. Were you wondering what I was going to do for food after the 10 days were up? Well, let me show you. BAM. Look at that. Since I have the Fire Bandit class, I spawn in with the Infernal Crossbow, which instantly cooks the meat of anything I kill with it. It's absolutely broken for getting food early on, but it's also what really makes this challenge even possible. There's our bunny feet, by the way. The pelt trader is here, so I need one of those. Now then, let's see what we get here. Bro, could you like move away from there? There we go. I'll take a good sack for now. I need to be able to hold more stuff. And for the wolf pelt, I'll take a good axe. I don't want to waste more time getting wood than I have to. You, a barn. These always have so much inside. Don't let me down here. Wrong side. Okay, a radio, a fuel canister. Very nice. Alrightio, now just the chest left. Let's see what we get here. Ooh, leather armor. That will actually be very useful, especially later on, since without the campfire, I won't have its passive healing. I'll take anything I can get to heal up or take less damage in the first place. Now, let's see. Do I have enough to upgrade the campfire again? I looted so much fuel this time around. I better. Oh, yes, I do. That's campfire level 4 now. 2 more levels to go. All right then, let's go looting. Oh, a tree house. I can loot this without worrying too much. I don't think the deer can climb ladders. Yet. Our first bandage. I really want to save these for later if I can. They will be basically my only source of healing without the campfire. A good axe. Bro, I already got one of those. Give me something better. Ooh, a plane crash. And so much fuel here as well. Jackpot. Okay then, let's see what we get from this chest here. A strong flashlight? Wait, that's actually so good. It lasts so long. If I need to survive against the deer later, this will come in handy. Another plane crash? Cave. I'll need to get rid of these wolves before I can loot all that though. Why? Oh, and a gun shed here as well? I literally hit gold here, bro. But first of all, let's take care of these wolves real quick. There we go. Finally. Wait, is that cake over there? I actually want to stock up on those as well. They heal you whenever you eat it, so that'll definitely be helpful after day 10. Ah, another revolver? That's a bit unlucky. I literally just got one of those from that gun shed. I want to head back for now though. My sack is basically full here. Wait, are those just fuel canisters sitting out in the open there? I think they are. Okay, let me take something out here to make space real quick. That'll do. I am getting so much fuel right now. It's actually crazy. Another revolver? Bro, you're kidding me. I already told you. I got one of those from the gun shed. Sheesh. And there we go. Already 70% done with level 4. All right, our first watchtower here. And it's already turning night. Hopefully the deer doesn't find us too fast. Otherwise, we might be screwed. Come on, chest. Give me something good here. I'm risking the deer for you. Ooh, a spear? I'll actually take that. It doesn't need any ammo, so I'll be using it a lot once I run out. You, a hospital. Let's go. I'm gonna get so many bandages here. How did you get in here? And what do you mean the sky is on fire? Okay, just focus on the task at hand. Let's get every bandage in here first. What is going on, bro? Why is the entire sky red? If someone knows what's going on here, please tell me in the comments, bro. Does this mean it's day now? I'm worried about the deer just spawning in out of nowhere here, but I think we're good. Let's get this chest then. Meteors have crashed all over the map. Our first med kit. That is actually big. It heals you to full health even if you are about to die. That thing is so good. Oh, a camp. Let's check it out. Does it just have a microwave? I swear these are supposed to have a chest, no? Well, whatever. That's unlucky. My food just keeps throwing itself at me, bro. I'm not even hungry right now. Chill. Chill. I'm sorry. Okay, leave me alone. Oh, I guess this is one of those meteors, huh? And is that some kind of spider robot guarding it? Nope. I'm out of there, bro. No, thank you. Okay, surely this is enough to upgrade the campfire, right? There we go, that's level 5 right there. Actually, before I go anywhere else, let me build a sundial real quick. I really want to be able to tell when it's going to turn night. Oh, we're getting attacked tonight? Well, I'll deal with that when I get back. I really need to focus on looting right now. That also means the deer won't be chasing after me tonight, right? That's actually super lucky then. I see a bandage in that window. I actually didn't know you could get those here. Yeah, we're getting attacked, I know. Skip. This house has better loot in it, I swear. Maybe the chest is better too? Ooh, a rifle! That's basically the only thing I was really missing. Nice. This is really risky right now. If I get caught in a trap here, I am so dead. Oh, and the wolves spotted me. Great. Let me at least grab some wood before I get out of here. Oh my god, there are so many wolves after me. Ooh, a fuel canister. Ouch! Yo, okay, chill out, bro. Oh my god, that was way too close. If that wolf hit me, I would have died right there. How are they still after me? Oh, right, and the cultists are waiting for me at the campfire as well. Great. Okay, I don't think there are any crossbow cultists this time, so I should be safe to just snipe them. There we go. All right, the campfire is 45% finished. So close now. These wolves are still here, bro. They must have a grudge against me or something. I swear. Oh, are you kidding me? He aggroed as well? Did he just jump over my shot? Bro, these wolves are learning. What is going on? Just let me open my chest in peace. A good axe. Okay, night's approaching. Let's get this chest open quickly, yo. A strong axe? For real? Okay, that is actually so lucky. Let's go. Ayo, is that what I think it is? Yep, that's the owl. All right. Okay, whatever I do here, I cannot move while it's sitting there. Okay, it's gone. Let's run. Ooh, a watchtower, and the owl is back. Okay, I think I can still go up, but I need to move really slowly or else I'm dead here. Phew, it's gone. Let's see what this chest has for me. Ooh, another bandage. I'll take it. Can't have too many of those. And it's back again. Okay, let's start getting out of here very slowly. Okay, let's book it. Oh, it's turning night. I better be careful here. I can get attacked anytime. Yo, the owl? Bad time. There are wolves after me too. I need to get out of here. A watchtower. Perfect. And I don't think the owl saw me either. Okay, a defense blueprint. That's kind of useless. I don't think I can place those outside a campfire. Okay, don't see anything around. I think the coast is clear again. Bro, this owl has the worst timing. I can't stop here. Rune! Phew, okay, we made it. That was way too close. How am I going to survive that after I can't go to the campfire anymore? It's already day 8. Am I even going to be able to max out the campfire in time? Okay, you know what? I think I actually need to start preparing and buying stuff now. I don't want to run out of time later. Let's see. What do I want to get? Okay, first of all, let's get a lightning rod. And let's start gathering a bit of wood here. I barely have any right now. There we go. And we're also getting attacked again for the last time actually, since I won't be going to the campfire again. There they are. Let me take care of them real quick. Bam, that's the last one. Now then, let's buy everything we need now. I definitely want to get the beds, so I can get those days going by faster. After all, I won't be able to place them down after day 10. Okay, next, I definitely want to get some farm plots, since I'll actually be able to use those even outside the camp. Might as well get some bear traps too, can never be too safe after all. And let's also craft the compass, cause why not, right? Okay, it's officially day 9, which means this is my last chance to place down anything I can. Looks like we weren't able to max that campfire after all. That really sucks. Alright, let's get these beds down first before I forget. Then let's grab all these cakes, and I think that's everything. Now I just need to find myself a shed. And I think I remember seeing one in this direction. Yeah, there it is. It's in a nice spot as well, right under a tree here. Okay, so if I remember correctly, to do this, you need to use a Roblox Edance bug. Specifically, you do /edance2. Let's copy that as well, so I don't need to write that out every time. And then, when your right arm finishes moving, you press Shift Lock, and there we go! First try. And now we are in the shed, with the door still closed, so theoretically speaking, nothing should be able to get inside here. First of all, let's put all the cakes we have in here, in case we need them later. And now, to get out, we do the exact same thing. Get up close and personal to that door, /edance2, and Shift Lock. There we go. Now, let's get all our farms down here. Okay, so I can't place it close to the shed. This is a good spot then, and I'll put the bear traps right over here. I forgot to build the compass. Oh, I can still make it here? That's actually so good. I never would have guessed they would let you do that. And yeah, the defense blueprints unfortunately don't work here. That's kind of sad. But it is turning night soon, so let's get inside our little shed here for our first night outside the campfire. Oh, looks like it's the owl again this time, huh? You know what? Let's actually let it see us. I wonder if it could even do anything to me. Oh, it's trying to get in. I can see it through the roof. Not today, though. Alright, and that is the very first night I survived inside a shed. Oh, you know what? I actually completely forgot about the flute. And since it's actually outside the camp, I can still get it. We can tame ourselves some wolves then. Let's try it on this one. Alright, 2 steaks, I can get that, but first let's get back inside the shed. It's already turning night again. There's the owl again. What are you gonna do? I'm inside my shed. OHYO. Hold up, that is creepy. Nah, bro, I did not sign up for that. Okay, finally that's over. Let's get out of here and get some steaks. That's 1 and that's 2. Okay, now let's get that wolf tamed. Oh, what? Is 1 time not enough? Wait, does this mean I need to do this 2 more times? Guess so. Okay, that's another one. Oh, and there's the 4th one right there. 1 more level to go now. This never gets old. Okay, I just need 1 more steak now. There it is. Okay, let's get back now. Oh, Stormy! Welcome aboard. Look at him. He's so cute. Well then, let's get moving. I want to find those lost kids right now. Is that a mine? Well, that would have been useful a couple days ago. Still, let's check out the chest. Oh, a diamond. Not bad. Those can really add up over time. Oh, the cultists are attacking. Well, that's none of my business now, really. Yeah, check it out. There they are. That's not why I'm here, though. I actually completely forgot, but the children's posters are actually outside the campfire, so that means I can actually still use them. Well, there's the first kid's cave. I guess Stormy doesn't feel like helping out here. Well, that's fine, I guess. I got this. There we go and yoink. And a box of seeds in the chest. Great. Well, there's the first kid rescued and without ever touching the campfire. Let's get back before it turns night, though. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, second try, not bad. I better not screw that up if it's almost turning night, though. More seeds? Okay, there's kid number 2. In case you guys didn't know, you can clear all the cave animal guards by just sitting right here and shooting at them from above. They can't even touch you. Whoa, yo, wait, chill out. Bro, what just happened? Did Stormy just push me off into that horde of wolves Lion King style? Not cool, Stormy, not cool. Okay, let's get that second kid. And another good axe in the chest. Amazing. All right, let's see where that third kid is. Oh, he's quite far. There they are. Let's snipe these one by one. I don't want a repeat of what happened last time. Yo, did that bear just get struck by lightning? Wild. Okay, actually, I just realized I'm kind of far away from home. I gotta start heading back now. Oh no, the deer is hungry tonight as well? Are you freaking kidding me right now? I can't even use the map either since the campfire went out. I'm actually lost. I don't know where the base is. Oh wait, hold on. I think that's the camp there. My shed should be this way then, but I'm not sure I'll make it back in time. He's right there. What do I do? He's catching up. He's so fast. Leave me alone, please. Okay, I gotta slow him down behind trees. That's the only way I survive this. I'm hungry right now? Bro, this timing could not be any worse. Let's eat that wolf real quick and go find our shed. Okay, I found it. Let me in, please. Why now? These wolves are legitimately out to get me this video, bro. And another one now? Well, I got back inside, but it's a bit late now. Okay, we're back to where kid 3 was. Am I crazy or are these less bears? Oh yeah, there's the key. Guess all the other bears left or something. Weird. Another med kit in here. Can't have too many of those, I suppose, especially after yesterday. Okay, kid 4 is that way. I don't think I have enough time to find him today, so let me get started on upgrading our shed base. First of all, I'll get a bunch of saplings here. And then I can start placing the saplings all around my little shed here to eventually make a wall to help protect me from everything. Eventually I'll get enough to place them all around the entire shed. But tonight, let's go rescue that 4th kid. Okay, he should be close now. Right. I forgot. I didn't finish the campfire, so that means I won't be able to rescue that 4th kid. R.I.P. kid. But hey, let's check out this chest here though. It's gold as well. Come on, game. Oh, a diamond? Well, can't get mad at getting a diamond, I suppose. Now then, let's start heading back before we get a repeat of the other day. Since I can't rescue that 4th kid, I suppose the objective now is to finish that shed wall, and for that, I'll need to cut down some trees. Okay, that's one side finished. Let's start growing them then. Well then, let's go back inside for the night. Ooh, a treehouse. Haven't seen one of these for a while now. Come on, chest, don't let me down here. Yo, a giant sack. That's literally the only thing I was missing, I think. I already have the strong flashlight and axe. That's actually huge. And there's another chest literally right here as well. Well, they can't all be winners. Oh no, I completely forgot about blizzards. Since I can't get near the campfire, I can't do anything to stop myself from freezing, right? Maybe going in the shack will help me? Okay, moment of truth. If I keep freezing, I'm not really sure what to do, to be honest. Yeah, I thought so. That didn't help. Oh, all it does is take away your sprint? Wait, that's not even too bad. I was afraid I would slowly start dying or something. Okay then, let's just wait it out here then. And there we go, blizzard over. I only have a few nights left now. I really want to get that wall finished before then. So let's lock in and get those saplings. The final saplings, there we go. It is done. Look at our little base here. Only one night left to survive. The base is already looking so sick. I think it's time to get inside now, for the very last time. Look how genuinely tiny this hut is, by the way. This is probably the absolute smallest base that I have ever survived in 99 nights. 3, 2, 1, and we did it! We beat 99 nights in the forest in a freaking shed. Can you believe it? This base is absolutely crazy. We got a wall of trees surrounding the entire shed here, and even a roof from a huge tree right there. It's literally completely blocked off from the sides and the top. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more content like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.